When I made the decision to start my self-discovery journey and just start living my best life, I had to picture what that looked like and what that meant for me. And I wasn't happy. Like, I just wasn't happy in my current situation. So I knew that either I had to change myself, or I had to change or take myself away from the things that weren't like adding to my life. So that really meant making some really tough decisions. Like, I had to make a lot of tough decisions, but I knew that because I took the time to get to know myself, that it would be okay. Because now I'm not living my life based on what I think I know about me or what I think is right, what I think I'm supposed to be doing, but I'm living it based on what I know about myself. So if something didn't fit, I was okay with walking away, or I was okay with removing it, because I know that there's only one me. Like, I only get one life. So I want to make sure that everything that's involved in my life's process is going to be the things that are going to move me forward, and the things that are going to challenge me and just keep me positive and upbeat about life. Life is such a beautiful experience and a beautiful journey that you don't want to sleepwalk through. So I encourage you to open up your eyes, start trusting yourself, start thinking positively, and you'll be surprised all the great and awesome things that start to come your way. You already made the first step by getting to know yourself from the inside out. So don't be afraid, just take it a step further. You have the power and everything within you to live your best life. As always, it's Aquila Chantal, Who Am I Daily. Make sure you check out the website, whoamidaily.com, for more updates and tips. I definitely want to hear your story. Like, it's not just about me. I want to get to know you and connect with you and find out, how the tips are working. So make sure you take the time to like and subscribe and share this video with other people that you know need to get this knowledge, need to be fed, so that they can start living their best life.